Hi guys, welcome to CAD CI tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed. And today discuss here a very important lecture. And today discuss here only this body is how to this body is exploded, all parts one by one, and all parts is automatic collapse here. And this body is animation, and today discuss here a new motion study, and this is a all parts is one by one is separate here. Okay, at first click a play start here. This at first full body is a rotate here, and inside also rotation, and this body is a okay, this is a looking perfect and this animation is very nice looking here. And how to this process is learn here. To discuss here a very important lecture, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a proficient student is also perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, again, okay, this is a very nice looking here, and how to this process is used here, and how to use this process and learn here a very important lecture. And all parts is one by one is drawing here, but today discuss here a very important lecture. All parts is animation, and this is a exploded here. Okay, let's start here. This process is learn here one by one. Okay, at first going to this new motion study is click here, and also this is a body is delete here. Okay, this is a perfect, and motion is apply here one by one, and this is a perfect and correct, and this motion is a perfect, but this is a rotate here. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct, but this is a rotation help of a mouse, but this is a automatic rotate here. All parts is one by one is a learner. At first okay, this is a perfect and use a symmetric view. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, this is a face is looking perfect, and okay, this is a face is very nice looking here. Okay, and at first use a exploded view, click here, and all parts is a exploded, then one by one is click here and select this, press a control button, and one by one is all is select here. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, but okay, this is a perfect. Okay, select here, but okay, one by one is also select here this. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this face is select here, and this is a okay, and this is a not correct. Okay, this is a perfect and select one by one. Okay, all is a select here, and this is a and okay, all is select here, and use a this is a drag here, this okay, this is a drag here, this because all is looking perfect, and some drag here is this. Okay, and again select this face, cover is a drag here this. Okay, and next is this impeller, and impeller is two impeller is one by one is select here. Okay, and next is this is a gear. Okay, this gear is also drag here, and also this is a drag here. Okay, okay, and this body is also drag here is this. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct, and click OK. First part is complete here, and also use select this assembly final project and right click and going to collapse, and this body is collapse easily, and also this is a use exploded. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and also this body is collapse here. Okay, okay, and next is apply here this use okay, use animation wizard and click here, and then this is a rotate model is select here, and going to next, and axis is y axis, and number of rotation is 1, and clockwise is perfect. Okay, this is a very important, and this time is set here, a very important duration set here, and at first select a 6, duration is 6 seconds, and a starting time is 0, and click finish. Okay, and going to calculate, then this body is a rotate here perfect, and this use a playback model normal, and playback model is reciprocate, then all is a automatic is rotation here, but this is use a playback model is normal. Okay, all is perfect, and next is apply here, again select animation wizard and click exploded, and next, and then this is a starting time is 6 seconds, and this use 11, duration is 11 seconds is perfect, and this starting time is 6 seconds, and then is finish, then use 6 seconds is perfect. Okay, and again select this collapse is selected next, and this is use 11, and then this is increasing this is 17 is perfect, and finish is okay, and all is perfect. All is perfect, and again select account this and okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, all is one by one is perfect looking here, and this animation is very nice looking here, but this inside rotation is not complete here, and then last is okay, all is perfect, and again select use a motor is this body is rotate here, and this component is selected is this, and then rotation is this is a rotation is so here, and this rotation is this is use here 25 RPM is perfect. 25 RPM is better, but this use 20 RPM is also correct. Okay, and then use click OK, and again select counting this calculate here, and then this body is rotate here inside, and also okay, this is a perfect looking here and correct, and this animation is also looking perfect Okay, all is perfect and correct. You can see here easily, and all process is learn here one by one, and okay, all is exploded, and also automatic is collapse here. Okay, perfect. And also this use a player start a 0, then at first this body is all full body is rotate, and then also exploded. All parts is separately one by one is separate here, and then all parts is also automatic is collapse here easily and clearly, and this animation is looking perfect and correct. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learner easily and clearly, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SOLIDWORKS software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important lecture for a beginner student, and this project is a roots blower project, and how to easily drawing a roots blower project. Okay, and this part is this body is a shaft design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a 2D drafting is also available here. This okay, and all is looking perfect and correct, and all 2D geometry, 2D dimension, 2D drafting is also available here. This okay, and this is a isometric view, and this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a right view, and all dimension is millimeter. Okay, so let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly, and one by one all parts is drawing here, then last is this body is assemble, and then this project is completed here. Okay, this is this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and then how to this part and how to this body is designed. Then this is a shaft body, and this is a very useful and helpful correct. This is a very nice looking here. Okay, so let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select some important point is drawing here. Okay, and plain white, and going to option, and document properties, and going to image quality. Image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a perfect and correct, and this top view and full length is a 215 millimeter, and this length is a 150 millimeter, and this offset is 40 millimeter is offset here, and this is a radius is a 20 millimeter diameter. This diameter is 20 millimeter, and this center rectangle is drawing here. This length is 4 millimeter, and width is also 4 millimeter. Okay, at first this body is drawing a front plane is better. A circle is drawing here. A circle diameter is a 20 millimeter. Okay, a center rectangle is drawing here. This is a okay, and going to this and this length is a 4 millimeter, and also width is a 4 millimeter. This is a perfect, and going to extrude boss, and extrude boss is apply here. This select this line. Okay, and this line is a perfect, and this diameter, this length is a 215 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and okay. Okay, again select this sketch. Extrude boss is also apply here, and also select this and also this, going to back side and this. Okay, okay, and this is a length is very important, and going to this length is a 150 millimeter. Okay, and offset is also apply here, a 14 millimeter is offset. Okay, this is a perfect, and both length is a perfect. First this is offset and this is a length, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect, and also this is a 5 pattern. Then use a circular pattern, and going to this pattern, and circular pattern is apply here, and this parameter is a full face, and this is a pattern is apply here, this, going to extrude boss. And okay, this pattern is a 5 pattern and 360 degree angle, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, all geometry and all dimension is you can see here, and material is apply here, this material going to a steel is polished steel, and then okay, this is a perfect, and isometric view is also perfect, looking here. Okay, okay, and all is perfect. Okay, okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software, and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this lecture is very important, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and beginner student is very knowledge gain here, and how to this new parts is design here, and then this parts is a impeller design. Okay, this is a impeller, and impeller design is very important, and how to this parts is designed easily and clearly. And all 2D drafting is also available here, and all dimension and all geometry is looking here easily, you can see here on the screen. And this part is a roots blower project, and this part is inside here, and this is rotation, this body is rotating this inside part. Okay, and this is isometric view, and this is a front view, and this right view, and this is top view, and all dimension is millimeter. Okay, and okay, so let's start here. This part is design, and okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed. All dimension is looking perfect, and all parts is a okay, this body is looking perfect and correct. So let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, at first select a part, and going to some setting is very important, and this is a option. Click here and going to document property, and image quality is very high, because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this view is a, you can see here, front view, and then front plane is a better, and this total length is 150 millimeter. Okay, at first drawing this circle is drawing here a 20 millimeter diameter, and the big circle is drawing here 45 diameter, and both center point length is 47 millimeter, and this circle is drawing here this is a curve is a radius is 22.5 millimeter, and this cutout is a for this center rectangle is drawing here, and for length is 4 millimeter, and this is a width is 4 millimeter. Okay, at first select a front plane and drawing a two circle one by one, and this drawing this big circle diameter is this a 20 millimeter diameter, and this is a 45 millimeter diameter. Okay, and both press a control button, and both point is center point is selected, and this is a horizontal. Okay, and this distance between is this 47 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a okay, and next is a apply here this okay, this big circle is this is a going to pattern is circular pattern, and okay, this is a select this pattern and 3. Okay, pattern is 3 and equal spacing and 360-degree angle, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a better. And okay, going to this fully defined sketch, and all entities select here, calculate this. Okay okay, and this dimension is select here this 23.5 millimeter. Okay, because this diameter is a 25.5 millimeter is automatic selector, and this is a 21.34 millimeter and 33.09 millimeter. Okay, select a 3-point arc and connect to this okay, and both press a control button, and both is a select here, both line is a selector, and this make tangent, and again also select this and press a control button this and tangent. Okay, and this is a 22.5 millimeter. Okay okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and again select a okay, again select a pattern is circular pattern, and this is a this point, and select this and going to 3. Okay okay, 3, this connect to this, and 360-degree angle, equal spacing and 3, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, and again select a fully defined sketch and select entities, and both is a selector, and calculate this. Click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and all dimension is this. Okay okay, all length is perfect and correct. Okay, this is a okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay okay, all is correct. mention here. Okay, going to this extrude boss and select this, one by one is select here, and this total 150, this okay, this length is 150 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And again select this face, sketch normal, and select a center line, and center line is this drawing, and this length is a 4 millimeter, this width is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and connect this point and press a control button, and this point is a horizontal. Okay, this black color means this all is fully defined, and this is a this center line is drawing here, and cutout is this, and 4 millimeter length and 4 millimeter width. Okay, all point is correct. And going to this extrude cut. Extrude cut is this, and going to through all and click OK. This cutout is perfect, and also circular pattern is perfect, and click this face, click here, this edge point is select here, and going to this, and okay, select here this cutout. Okay, and this is this edge is selected, and this pattern is 5 and equal spacing, 360 degree angle, and all is correct, and click OK. Extrude cut is a perfect, and material is apply here, and going to this metal and brush, and OK, all is perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and all point is one by one is discussed here, perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software, and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this project is very important, and this project is a roots blower project. This project is a roots blower project, and this part is a cover design, and how to this bodies design easily and clearly, and all parts is a one by one is drawing, and last is a this is a assemble here. And okay, this body is looking perfect, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view. Okay, all geometry and all dimension is looking here, and this body is a cover design, and how to this body design easily and clearly, and all dimension is millimeter. Okay, let's start here this body design. Okay, at first this body is design easily and clearly, and how to this body is design, and this lecture is very important for a beginner, a student, and how to this body is design. And this is a back side, and this is a front side is also looking perfect and correct. And okay, this is a body is looking, this body is drawing easily and clearly. Okay guys, let's start here this body's design. Okay, and at first some important point is a setting here, and then this is a use a plain white, and going to this option and document properties and image quality, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And okay. Okay, this is a use a front view and use a front plane also better, and all dimension is a perfect. And first drawing this straight slot, and this is a 96 radius is 96 millimeter, and this is a diameter is a inside 139.5 millimeter, and this diameter is also same, and this distance between is this 89.69, and this circle, a small circle, is drawing here 20 diameter, and this a small circle is also, this is a 10 diameter, and this thickness is 20 millimeter. Okay. Okay, at first select a front plane, sketch. Okay, and drawing a slot, straight slot is perfect. Okay, this is a slot is drawing here. Okay. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this is a 1. Okay, this is a 96. Okay, and this distance between is this is a 89.69. okay, this is a perfect. This distance between 89.69 and this is 96. Okay, and this slot is a perfect drawing here, and going to this extrude boss, thickness is 20 millimeter. Okay, and this blind. Okay, all is perfect and okay. Okay, this body part, this body is drawing here, and select this face, sketch, normal, and again select a drawing a two circle is drawing here easily, and okay. Okay, and select this circle is a 139.5. okay, and then both circle is a select here, and this is a equal. Okay, because this both circle is drawing here same dimension. Okay. Okay, and then again distance between this point to this is a 89.69. okay, and both point, press a control button, and both point is selected, and this is a horizontal. Okay. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and again select a small circle is this to this. Okay, and both circle is same, equal, and this is a 20 millimeter. Okay. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and all. Okay, this is a, this circle is drawing here 139.5 millimeter, and this is the same, and a small circle is drawing here 20 millimeter, and distance between 89.69. okay, all is perfect. And going to extrude cut, and one by one is extrude cut. At first select this, and again select this, and use a through all, and okay, and again select this extrude cut is apply here, and select this line, and again select this line. Okay, all is, and this thickness is 10 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a better. Okay, and all is perfect, and again select this face, sketch, normal, and drawing a center line connect to this point to this. Okay, and a small circle is drawing here a this midpoint, and this diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and this check here, this distance between this 13.13. okay, this dimension is perfect, and okay, this is a this thickness is a check here, 13.13 millimeter, and this small circle is diameter is drawing here a 10 millimeter. Okay, and going to extrude cut and apply here through all and click OK. But pattern is used here this and use a sketch curve driven pattern is perfect, and okay, this is a select here, use this use a sketch upper line is a select here, and okay, and okay, this select here this okay, and first is a sketch here this and pattern is 15 equal spacing and offset curve align to seed and partial preview. Okay, all is perfect and correct and go. Okay, this is a better, and all is dimension is used here, and all one by one is all drawing is a perfect, and going to this appearance, and this is a painted and going to candy apple red, and okay, this is a perfect. This color is a looking perfect and correct, and isometric view is also perfect looking here, and all body is a and all okay, all is drawing here easily and clearly, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today discuss here housing design of this is a roots blower project, and guys, this project is a roots blower project, and how to all parts is assemble here, and at first all parts is drawing here easily and clearly, and how to all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is all parts is assemble here. But this is a project, this part is a housing design, and this is a body of a roots blower project, and this is a perfect design here, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and all dimension and all geometry is looking here, you can see here on the screen, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and one by one all geometry is one by one is used here, and this body is a design here. Okay, this body is design, and how to this body is design easily and clearly, and all is looking perfect and correct, and this body is looking all okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and all is perfect and correct, and this is correct. Okay guys, all parts is one by one is drawing here, and this body is drawing easily and clearly, and this is this design is also draw here. Okay, and this loops is loops is a design here, and this loops is this okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and part is this is and some setting is very important, and this is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane because all this front view is all geometry, a large number of geometry is looking here. At first select this two center point. This two center point is a slot is created here, and this distance between 2 point is 89.69 millimeter. Okay, and this radius, this diameter is 20 millimeter. This both is created here, and this is a perfect, and this is a full is a slot is this is a radius is 96. Okay, select a front plane. Slot is created here. This straight slot, first point, and this is a second point, and this slot is created here. Okay, and this distance is this distance is 89.69 millimeter, and this is a 96 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And going to, this is a fully defined because all is color is black color, and going to extrude. Extrude is this thickness is a 10 millimeter, because this thickness is a 10 millimeter is this. Okay, okay, and again select this front plane and sketch normal. Okay, and this use this and select this select a two circle is drawing here. First circle is this, and second circle is this. Okay, and both is equal. Select both and press a control button and select this equal, and equal is this and this smart dimension is used here, and this is a 20 millimeter is this. Okay, and again, okay, and again draw this two circle drawing here. First circle is this is a 139.5. this is a circle is this, and again select this is a 139.5. okay, a big circle is drawing here, 111 millimeter is this. Okay, two circle is drawing here. This big circle is drawing here, and select both circle and press a control button and select equal, and going to this is a 139.5 millimeter, and some extra portion is delete here, trim here. This is a trimmed. Okay, and going to extrude and select this selected contours and select this. Okay, and select this and okay, okay, and this is a perfect, and again select this use here this perfect drawing here, this body. Okay, and select this okay, and select this and right click and going to this loop and select this and going to convert entities. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and going to this extrude boss. Okay, and select here this thickness is a total is 150 millimeter, because this total thickness is a 150 millimeter, because this upper length to lower length total distance is a 150 millimeter. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct, all is okay. and again select this and extrude cut. Extrude cut is direction is reverse and going to this through all and going to this. Okay, and select this and select here this is this and going to this. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and select this face, sketch, normal, drawing this okay, this part is drawing here, and at first select again state slot is created here, because this is this and going to this use a 111 millimeter is this, and again select this going to this and right click, and this use a loop this loop and going to this and convert entity is this. Okay, and drawing this and center line is created here, this point to this point to this is and again select this point to this, connect to this point to this. Okay, and okay, this point to delete here and connect to this point to this. Okay, because this line is created here, this line is this and this is a line, and this line is horizontal. Okay, and select this line and use a mirror entities and select this, and this is this and okay, and select both line and select a mirror entities and select this and this is this and okay, and this portion is trim here, this portion, and this is a trim here is this okay, extra portion is trim here. Okay, and this is this, and this line distance is this is 50, and again this is 50. Okay, again select this is line is this 50, and again this line is select here this line to 50. Okay, and all is perfect and correct, and this some extra portion is delete here, and extra portion is this and this is a delete here, and this is okay, and this is a delete here, and connect to a line, connect to this part is this okay to this, and this portion is delete here. Okay, and this portion is a trim, this portion is delete here, and this portion is delete here. Okay, and all point is this correct, and okay, and going to extrude boss, select this first, second and third, and going to reverse, and this is a through all and okay, and this is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and going to this and this is a through all and going to this. Okay, And next part is this is a drawing here this and select this upper part, and upper part is a drawing here this portion is create here, and this portion is this, and this is a hole is this created here this 15 and 8 number of 8 and this select this and created here this this is a 10 and number of person is 15. Okay, and created here easily, and this distance is very important, 13.13, and this hole is a diameter is 10. Okay, and this face sketch normal, and select this and okay, and drawing this part, and this is a okay, and delete here, and some face is this okay, and this use this person, and so okay, this showing here this and center line is created here, and going to this to this, connect to this to this, and again select this circle is this to this is a drawing here, and diameter is this point to this, and okay, and select this line is this line, and going to convert entities. Okay, and this point to this distance is this okay, and this point to this point, and this point is a distance 13.13 is perfect. Okay, and this is a 10. Okay, and this is fully defined and perfect and correct. Okay, okay, all is fully defined, and going to this is use this, and going to extrude cut is select here, and this is use 13, this use 30 millimeter is this, and okay, and this use a perfect drawing here, and this cut here this is a 40 millimeter is this, and okay, and this is a height. Okay, but this point is created here this hole, and again select again select this select here this part and mirror entities. Okay, and select here this and sketch is select here. Okay, this is select here. Okay, mirror entities and select this, and select here this okay, and this use a mirror face. Okay, this use this and select here. Okay, and going to okay, this is a mirror. Okay, this use a pattern. Okay, some mistake point is this use a pattern, and going to this curve driven pattern is perfect. Okay, okay, this is a use this select here this sketch, and this number of 15 and equal spacing and this is a select here, this is a this. Okay, and this is a very important point is discussed here, and going to this transform curve, and this is the upward preview is showing here, but this is not perfect, and this offset curve is perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and going to this, and this is use 15 and equal spacing, and this is a offset curve and aligned to seed. All is perfect, and okay, this is a very nice looking here, and select this face, sketch, normal, and drawing this connect to this point to this, because this line is very important, and select this part is created here, and this is number of 8 is circle is created here, create here 8 circle, and this small circle is diameter is 80 millimeter, and this bigger circle is 128 millimeter, and this is a bigger circle is 160 millimeter is this, and this thickness is a 30 millimeter. This height is 30 millimeter, and this thickness is upper side is 10 millimeter is this, and this is a draw a circle, a midpoint is select here, and draw a 2 circle this, and first is a 80 millimeter, and second is this is a 128 millimeter is this. Okay, both is a perfect diameter is this, and going to extrude boss. Extrude boss is this, and this is a very important, and going to height is 30 millimeter, and direction is second is also, and going to up to next. Okay, and okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and very nice looking here, and also select this sketch, extrude cut. Extrude cut is select here this, okay, this is a, and select here, and going to up to next. Okay, and okay, this is very nice looking here. This face, sketch, normal, draw a circle is this, a big circle, and this is a 160 is perfect, and this a small circle is also convert entities is better, and going to extrude cut. Extrude boss is apply here, this thickness is a 10 millimeter, and this is a upper side, and blind is perfect. Okay. Okay, and select this face, sketch, normal, and this is a hole is cut out, and this is a cutout is this, and distance between center to this point is a 52 millimeter, and this is a 15 millimeter is diameter. Okay, and draw a circle is drawing here. Okay, this circle is drawing here this, and this use a 15 millimeter. Okay, and this point and this point is a 52 this, and select this point, select this center point, not okay, and select a center line is this to this is just connect to this, and this is horizontal. Okay, and automatic is this all is black color, means this is fully defined and perfect and correct, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is apply here, and this extrude cut is this is a 40 millimeter. Okay, and this use this, and also select a pattern is a use here this circular pattern, and going to this any this, and going to a feature is this, and pattern is a 8. This use a 360 and 8 pattern, equal spacing, and all is perfect and correct and okay. Okay, this is better looking here. And also this is created here this and going to this whole, this is this part is created here, and this distance is 37.5 and diameter is 10. Okay, and distance between a center point to this is 200 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And okay, and this is a thickness is 10 millimeter, and this small circle is 60 diameter, and big circle is 90 diameter, and this is 120 diameter. Okay, and select this plane is created here, and select this, and select this, a middle point is created here this, and select this plane, and select again select a plane, and plane distance is 200 millimeter is this distance is 200 millimeter, and plane is created here. Okay, this plane sketch, this plane, okay, sketch normal, this plane, and a sketch. Okay, and this plane select a okay, this plane sketch. Okay, this is this plane is created here, this plane a sketch normal. Okay, and some plane is a drag here because this is a perfect. Okay, and draw a center line is connect to this point to this. Okay, and this is this point to this, and this is a first, second, and third. Okay, and this use this is a 60, and this is a 60, 90, and 120. Diameter is 3 circle is created here, 90 and 120, and 3 circle is 120. Okay, this 3 circle is drawing here one by one. Okay, okay, and going to this extrude boss, at first select this. Okay, this is select here this part, and going to this up to next. Okay, direction is this, and direction is this is and up to next is this. Okay, and select here this, and again select here this extrude boss, and this is thickness is 10, and this use direction is this. Okay, inner side is this 10 millimeter is thickness, and going to this, and the next part is cut out is this, and again select this, and select extrude cut. Extrude cut is this portion is cut out, and select up to next. Okay, this is a cutout, and going to this. Okay, and plane is hide. Okay, again select this face, sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is this, circle is draw here, and this circle is diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this thickness is a 37.5 millimeter. Okay, and this point and this point is a this is a horizontal. Okay, this is a perfect, and this use a 37.5, and this is a 10 diameter, and this is a all is created here, 8 circle is created here, and going to this extrude cut. This is a thickness, this is a height is a 30 millimeter, is extrude cut is this, and okay, and okay, and this extrude cut is this, and going to pattern is a circular pattern, and this is a this select here, and this is a this face, and number of 8 pattern, and this face is selected, and 360 degree, and pattern is 8, and equal spacing, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this use a mirror, and mirror is perfect. Drawing here, select a mirror, and going to this mirror face is this, and okay, and going to this plane is created here, and this body is selected here. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and okay, this body is mirror here. Okay, and this is a this plane is hide. Okay, and next part is lobe is created here. This lobe is created here, and all part is one by one is created here, but this part is a lobe is a create here, this. Okay, and select here this. Okay, and select here this this slot is created here. Okay, and going to this face, sketch normal, and going to this right click, and this lobe, and select this. Okay, this all part is created here but not use, and draw a slot. This slot is created here, this. Okay, this is this, but this part, this line, and this line is selected here, and going to this is a coradial. Okay, this is a very very important relation, and again select this offset. Offset is only 8 millimeter is this, and select this add dimension, and going to this offset. Offset is this 8 millimeter, and okay, okay, and select very very important, and select this all edge is selected, and this use a convert entities, and press a control button and select all 6 edge, and use a convert entities. Okay, and this use a perfect, and some extrude boss piece apply here and select this. Okay, not this is a this first and second, and this is a third, and direction is a reverse direction, and this is a 10 millimeter is this, and okay, all is perfect, and okay. But use a pattern is use here, select here a linear pattern, and this is use a edge is select here, and this and this cutout is this, this is a select here this, but this distance is 20 millimeter. Okay, this distance is 10 millimeter, and this loop is a 10 millimeter is okay. This is a spacing and instance, and this distance is 20 millimeter, and this is a 8, and okay. This loop is a created here easily and clearly, and back side is a perfect loop is created here. You can see here on the screen, and isometric view is this, okay. And going to this paint and appearance, and this is painted, and this is this, okay. And all is one by one is created here, and guys, all point is one by one is all point is learn here, and one by one is created here. And this body is this housing body, and this body is a roots blower project body is designed here easily and clearly. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use this is a roots blower design, and this is a roots blower assemble in SolidWorks, and how to this body is all parts is one by one is assemble here easily and clearly. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and today discuss here all point is learn here how to this body is assemble easily and clearly. Okay, and this is a very important, and also this body is rotate here is perfect and correct is this visualize very important. And also mention here this body is this is this cover this use this is a change transparency, and going to this, and this body is rotate here this part, okay. And you can see here, okay, this is a rotation, all is perfect and correct. And this back side is also rotation of this body, okay. This is a perfect and correct, okay. All relation is a learn here, okay. All point is a learn here. This is a very nice looking here, and this cover is this use a transparency is show here, okay. And this body is this is a transparency is used here. This body use a transparency, okay. And this is a perfect, and this is a rotation of this body, okay. This is a perfect and correct. And also back side is this, okay. This is a use of this body is a rotation here, this body is also rotate here, and this is a perfect. Okay, and going to this house and right click and transparency is so here. Okay, all part is one by one is you can see here on the screen, and going to this isometric view. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and let's start here. This part is all is assemble here. Okay, at first going to this open this this workspace. Okay, and going to this insert part and going to this and any save here. All part is one by one is design here at first, and last is this body is assemble here. And okay, this is a this save here, all parts is save here this and going to this first is this is a house, and going use this large part. Okay, this is the first part, and cover, and second part is a impeller, and this is a third part is shaft, and this is a housing. And at first select this housing and open. Okay, and at first going to this is a fix, and going to this and use this coordinate system. Click here and again select this view origin, and this origin is a select here, and this body is a drag here this select this. Okay, this is a perfect looking here. Okay, and again this is use this hide, because all is a perfect looking here. This body is perfect set here. And next part is come here, going to this insert component and going to this browse, and this all part is select here. This is a cover, and select this remaining three part is one by one is select here. Okay, and this is this and this. Okay, all four part is this, and extra part is use here. Then going to this tool, going to this toolbox, and okay. Okay, and select this. Okay, this is a use mat, and mat is very important, and mat is only three part is discussed here. This is a mat is this use a standard mat, and this advancement, and this mechanical mat, and this three mat is very important assemble of this body. Okay, this use a standard mat is open here, and going to this select this face, and going to this is this, and this relation is a concentric, and click OK. This is a OK, and okay, this is drag here. Okay, and again select this face and select this. Okay, but distance is a very important, and going to this distance, and this distance is a 30 millimeter. Okay, this is a 30 millimeter is very important, and this use a OK. This is a perfect, and OK, and this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a select a press a control button and drag here this body, and this is a this this body is a okay. This is a copy here, and again select a mat. Mat is use here, and this is a this and this is a concentric relation is a concentric, and OK, and again same use this face and this face, and some distance is very important, and this is a 30, and going to OK, and all is perfect, and this is a OK. Okay, and next part is a assemble layer, this impeller, and going to this part is a come here, this is a OK. At first select a mate and select this inside, and going to this, at first going to this is a concentric. Okay, and this body is this. Okay, and this relation is very important. This relation is this. Okay, use here this body. Okay, this is delete here. Okay, and select this face and select this face. This is a coincident, and this OK. And next relation is this face is selector, and this face is a selector. Okay, this is a coincident, this OK, this is a perfect. And cut here, and again select this, rotate here this body. Okay, again select press a control button, and this use okay, and press a control button and select this and drag here. Okay, and this body is okay, this press a control button and drag here, this is this. Okay, and this is this, and use a mate, this and this concentric relation. Okay, okay, this is not relation is good, but delete here, and going to this. Okay, this is and again press a control button and select this. Okay, and this relation is perfect. Okay, select this and this. Okay, and use this and some relation is very important. And okay, and this is okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and select this and select this. Okay, and this relation is coincident. Okay, and again select this face, and this is this relation is coincident, and okay. Okay, but this is a very important relation is used here, because okay, this is a this relation is a gear is used here. Okay, and this relation is very important, and this use a gear, and again select this mat, and going to this use a mechanical mat. Okay, and this use a gear, and the gear is a this ratio, and okay, select this face. Okay, select this. Okay, and select this. Both ratio is equal, and this ratio is 20/20 is perfect, and not check here a reverse. Okay, ratio is 20/20 and all is perfect, and click OK, and OK, and this is a rotation is a very important, and OK. Okay, and this is a perfect, and again going to this rotate this body. Okay, and okay, and select this use a mat, and select this, and this concentric relation, and again select this and this concentric relation, and this OK, and again this face is a select here this, and back side is a this, and this relation is a coincident, and OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Assemble here, and this bolt is used here, and going to this design library, and going to this toolbox, and going to this metric. Okay, bolt and screw, and going to this and hexa head. Okay, and and this use a heavy hexa bolt, and this bolt is a and select this bolt. Okay, and this is a 10. Okay, not user. Okay, and select this. Okay, this flange is user. Okay, heavy hex flange is a drag here, and going to this. Okay, and this is a M10. Okay, this is a perfect, and some relation is very important, and length is a 50 is perfect, and thread length is a 26, and thread display is a simplified, and all is perfect and correct, and okay, and this is a very important, and again select this copy, and this is a and this copy is perfect, and going to all is a copy is 1 by 1 is this. This is a very important, and okay, 1 by 1 is all is a perfect, and last is a this is a exit. Okay, all is a perfect, and next is a this use up. Again select this, and going to Okay, going to again select this metric, and metric is this going to this again select a metric. Metric is a okay, this is use a power transmission is perfect. Click here. Going to this is a gear, and gear is a use a spur gear is perfect, and this is a this, and a spur gear is a this. Okay, and going to this module is this is a 3, and number of teeth is a 30 is perfect, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a module, this property module is 3, and this is a pressure angle is 20, and face width is a 15, and this is a hover style is none, and going to this nominal shaft is 20 is perfect, and this is a 30, all is perfect and correct, and okay. But this is a this use here, and going to this but this is a this portion is delete here. Okay, and use a mat, and mat is this is a select here, and this is a okay, and coincident relation is this, and okay, and this face, and this face is this, and coincident, and again select a okay, this body, and this is this, okay, and select a this face, and this is a this, okay. But one important relation is discussed here. This relation is very very important, and both is a this is a not connect to each other, but connect to each other is perfect. All power transmission is okay. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, all is perfect. At first going to this relation is very very important, and at first select this, and going to this part 3, and this is a select here this spur gear, okay, and again select this part is part 3, and this is a this spur gear is this, and select this at first, select this, and going to and select a plane is a top plane, and select this, and this is a and going to this, and plane is a this, okay, and this plane is a this plane, and going to mat, okay, and okay, okay, again select this at first select use this top plane and going to this matte second and then use a matte. Okay, all is perfect. Click OK and again select this and this relation is and again select this and going to this and select this right plane. Okay, and this going to this, press a control button and going to this is a plane 2 and going to matte. Okay, and both is a relation is very important, and this is a and this going to this is a width. All is a perfect and okay and okay. Okay, and this is a this okay, this is a perfect relation is this. Okay, and all is a perfect here. Okay, and this body is a this use of this transparency and this relation is a okay, and this is a also this body is this. Okay, and going to this and okay and isometric view. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is design, and today discuss here a very important lecture. And today discuss here only this body is how to this body is exploded all parts one by one, and all parts is automatic collapse here, and this body is animation. And today discuss here a new motion study, and this is a all parts is one by one is separate here. Okay, at first click a play start here. This at first full body is a rotate here, and inside also rotation, and this body is a okay, this is a looking perfect and this animation is very nice looking here. And how to this process is learn here. Today discuss here a very important lecture, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a proficient student is also perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, again okay, this is a very nice looking here, and how to this process is used here and how to use this process and learn here a very important lecture. And all parts is one by one is drawing here, but today discuss here a very important lecture. All parts is animation, and this is a exploded here. Okay, let's start here. This process is learn here one by one. Okay, at first going to this new motion study is click here, and also this is a body is delete here. Okay, this is a perfect and motion is apply here one by one, and this is a perfect and correct, and this motion is a perfect, but this is a rotate here. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct, but this is a rotation help of mouse, but this is a automatic rotate here. All parts is one by one is a learn here. At first okay, this is a perfect and use a symmetric view. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, this is a face is looking perfect and okay, this is a face is very nice looking here. Okay, okay, and at first use a exploded view. Click here and all parts is a exploded, then one by one is click here and select this, press a control button and one by one is all is select here. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, but okay, this is a perfect okay, select here, but okay, okay, one by one is also select here this. Okay, all is looking perfect and this face is select here and this is a okay, and this is a not correct. Okay, this is a perfect and select one by one. Okay, all is a select here and this is a and okay, all is select here and use a this is a drag here this. Okay, this is a drag here this, because all is looking perfect and some drag here is this. Okay, and again select this face, cover is a drag here this. Okay, and next is a this impeller and impeller is a two impeller is one by one is select here. Okay, and next is a this is a gear. Okay, this gear is also drag here and also this is a drag here. Okay, okay, and this body is also drag here is this. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct and click OK. First part is a complete here and also use a select this assembly final project and right click and going to collapse and this body is collapse easily, and also this is a use a exploded. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and also this body is collapse here. Okay, okay, and next is apply here this use a okay, use a animation wizard and click here and then this is a rotate model is select here and going to next and axis is y axis and number of rotation is 1 and clockwise is perfect. Okay, this is a very important and this time is set here, a very important duration set here, and at first select a 6 duration is 6 second and a starting time is 0 and click finish. Okay, and going to calculate, then this body is a rotate here perfect and this use a playback model normal and playback model is reciprocate, then all is a automatic is rotation here, but this is use a playback model is normal. Okay, all is perfect. And next is apply here. Again select animation wizard and click exploded, and next, and then this is a starting time is 6 seconds, and this use 11, duration is 11 seconds is perfect, and this starting time is 6 seconds, and then is finish, then use 6 seconds is perfect. Okay, and again select this collapse is selected next, and this is use 11, and then this is increasing this is 17 is perfect, and finish is okay, and all is perfect. All is perfect, and again select account this and okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, all is one by one is perfect looking here, and this animation is very nice looking here, but this inside rotation is not complete here, and then last is okay, all is perfect. And again select use a motor is this body is rotate here, and this component is selected is this, and then rotation is this is a rotation is so here, and this rotation is this is use here 25 RPM is perfect. 25 RPM is better, but this use 20 RPM is also correct. Okay, and then use click OK, and again select counting this calculator, and then this body is rotate here is inside, and also okay, this is a perfect looking here and correct, and this animation is also looking perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. You can see here easily, and all process is learn here one by one, and okay, all is exploded, and also automatic is collapse here. Okay, perfect. And also this use play start 0, then at first this body is all full body is rotate, and then also exploded. All parts is separately one by one is separate here, and then all parts is also automatic is collapse here easily and clearly, and this animation is looking perfect and correct. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learner easily and clearly, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.